Ja! Rastafaro. Blessings of wholeness, family. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Akeem Pierre. If you're new, welcome to the vibe. And today we're going on a journey, y'all. We're answering one of the biggest questions that I get asked is, how do I gain weight while being on a plant-based diet? How do I gain weight? You can eat healthy, you can eat clean, but a lot of us are losing weight. Like for me, I'm at the lower threshold of the weight that I've been in my life. I'm at like the lowest that I've ever been. And I've been like this while eating meat too, but it's still just the lowest. So we're about to go on this journey. I'm gonna be sharing what I eat in a day. I'm gonna be sharing my workouts, and I'm just gonna be sharing some tips of how I'm gonna be approaching this weight gain, because it really is unnatural for me. So we're gonna have to implement some different strategies and, you know, make sure certain things are in the house at all times. So, you know, today's gonna be focusing on that. So let's go, let's get it. So what I like to do when I first wake up is come outside, get a chance to just feel that sun on my skin, breathe in that fresh air, ground myself, and just ask my body what it needs, what it requires, and give it that. So if it needs to stretch my shoulders feeling tight, whatever's feeling tight, whatever needs to be addressed, I address that right in the morning. And this is just a beautiful view. It's just a vibe out here. All right, let's head inside. I'm getting hungry. Boom, so we inside. We got the first feast of the day ready to go. All the ingredients are right here. And this is gonna be a fonio stew. So of course we got our fonio. So we're just gonna start off by preparing our fonio, boiling that with triple the amount of water. Gotta keep it simple, that's the key. Keep it simple, keep it simple. My breakfast options are basically gonna be between this porridge or a smoothie. So it's really easy, really simple. And let's get to the recipe. I got the sea moss here. I'm gonna make my full sea moss gel later, but for now, I'm just gonna put some of that in there. This coconut, put my dates. This is some hemp butter. You don't got much dandelion root, gotta re-up on the dandelion. Whatever flavor it is that you wanna put into here, you could do it. I kind of like mine with the bay leaf. I can't wait till I get my bay leaf order from Mount Kailash. So once I get that, but for now, this is good. I'm just gonna go ahead and indulge. So we definitely do give thanks for the first feast of the day. I love the fonio. I love the porridge because it allows you to get a lot of your minerals, a lot of your vitamins, a lot of your calories into like a quick and easy, simple thing to make. Fonio is heavy in the protein. We got the hemp butter in there, which is the heavy in the protein, fats, minerals, and we got the walnut butter. We're adding a lot of things with very dense calorically. That's gonna help get the amount of food that is necessary to build that weight, to build that mass, but also adding in the shilajits and the dandelions for their amino acids and just the different properties that they have to help uplift us and build us up. Let's go, y'all. It's time. Workout day one. This is still day one for me. We're going on this journey together, about to get ready, head to the gym, get my weight up. So I really discovered that I had to find my why. I had to find out my why of why I even want to gain this weight. And it's basically because this is something that I said to myself. It's like a promise that I want to be able to keep to myself. And I know that when I keep this promise, it's just gonna allow me to have that confidence to know that I can do whatever it is. I can make it happen. So here we are, just pulled up to the YMCA, about to get this workout in. How I'm organizing my workouts is I'm gonna be doing full body workouts every day I go to the gym. I don't feel it's necessary to do those isolation splits unless you're like super advanced, and I'm not advanced right now. So I'm gonna be doing the full body workouts, and it's gonna be anchored around a heavier lift. So today we're gonna be doing deadlifts, and of course I gotta add my movement, calisthenics vibe to it. So we're gonna be working on the handstand, we're gonna be working on the dips, and we're also gonna be working on the front levers. This is so whack, every single piece of equipment. All the racks that I wanna use are being used. I can't wait till my studio's open and I just have the whole place to myself. This is annoying. So there you go, training is done for the day. They wouldn't let me film it because it's the YMCA, it's a family place. Can't be filming all around in there, but it's cool. even more, the reason why I'm excited to get my own studio where I could share all of this with y'all freely, that's coming soon. And I'm actually gonna head over to the studio right now because it's really just like a 5-minute walk from the YMCA. So about to head there. Always like to cleanse up this place, bless it up while the construction is getting done. And I'll give y'all a quick little tour. Oh, here we are. Welcome to Liberty, y'all. This is the space. So far, we got the floors in. We're getting that wall done right now. Boom, we got 2 TVs. My YouTube videos gonna be playing all day. You're just gonna be here watching my YouTube videos on the screen. And yeah, this is it. I'm excited. Y'all can tell, I'm so excited. This is the space. Not much is gonna change in here, really. Except in that back corner, we're gonna get 2 racks for squats, deadlifts, all your heavy lifts. Then we're gonna get pull-up bars along here. This side is gonna be mirrors, and we're gonna have a bunch of different tools, different little toys to play with in here. So that's it. So it's gonna be a big open space, really, and just gonna be the place where we vibe, we connect. So this is gonna be the home for the videos in the future. Just bless this place, y'all. While you're here, send your love. Send your love in the comments for me. Say, bless that space. Bless Liberty. Bless Liberty. We about to make a home, and y'all are welcome. Whenever you come in town, y'all are welcome here. This is the vibe. I'm just so excited because my big thing is I want to build a community in real life as well as online. So this is a place where we have that in real life IRL community connection. So give thanks, y'all. I'ma just bless the space, you know, cleanse the space real quick, and then get on my way. Love. So I'm not sure if y'all familiar with Palo Santo, but this is something that we use to cleanse the space, to income and welcome spirit in all that we do. You know, we're here, we got these physical bodies, but you know, we welcome the ancestors, we welcome spirit to guide us, to give us that guidance and that love and just show us the way. You know, this ain't the first time for us. This ain't the first time for us, y'all. So just bless the space, give thanks. Love, 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 love. May this space be a place of healing. May anyone who steps in this place leave feeling more balanced. Infinite gratitude, infinite love, infinite abundance. And I give thanks for everyone on YouTube for showing up, for vibing with me, for rocking with me, for supporting me, and just showing that love. Give thanks, y'all. So now I'm about to head home, get this lunch. Woo, we got something extra special planned. It's super simple, but I'm excited for these simple feasts that I be having. So let's go, let's get out of here. Listen, I don't know how my followers gonna react to you making chili. What y'all think? What's gonna be in this chili?
Love.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, she knows how to win me over. Can you film while I get my flex on?
Absolutely not.
Film while I get my flex on.
Dang, why your arms look so small?
Y'all see? Day 1, baby! Sorry, I'm getting excited, but. Day 1, baby. I'm excited to be on this journey with y'all.
Let's see the back.
Let's see the back? Oh, she knows. How's that looking back there?
Looks good.
Thank you, thank you. Let's get some food though. We're gonna feast. What we got for a feast today?
We got some walnuts and dates.
Snackalicious. But these are good snacks though. I rock with the snacks, the walnuts and date snacks. You can't go wrong with the walnuts and dates. See that, y'all? This is why I even think about doing this in the first place. Before I was just thinking about holistic healing, spirituality, but now she has me attached to this physical realm and wanted me to look good. But it's all good. But what I'm about to prepare now is a chickpea scramble with some hemp cream on top.
No.
Ooh! What'd you say?
No, I'm gonna be gone.
Too bad. When I was mentioning about things that I always have to keep in my house right now, 2 of those things is hemp seeds and chickpeas that are already prepared. I don't want to buy no more canned chickpeas. I want to have my dried chickpeas, and I prepare them like for a week in advance or 3-4 days in advance, because those things are just staples for me right now. So about to go prepare it. That hemp cream is too good, and it's so easy to make. You're getting so many nutrients, so much good stuff with that hemp cream, that it's now a staple. It's a definite staple. This is something that I want to keep in my house at all times. Now let's get to the chickpeas. So here we have the second feast of the day. Woo! Like when you see these flavor combinations, first off, this hemp cream just goes with almost anything. But with this chickpea scramble is amazing. I made a pizza the other day, but it's just a blessed feast. So I'm gonna go in on this feast. I got some training sessions to do later on. That's my job, so gotta go get some work in later on this evening. So I'm gonna get to this feast, and then we're gonna come back later on and just close the day off with an epic feast from the Empress. She's got some chili, I think, so I'm excited. I'll catch y'all then. It's crazy because back in the day when I used to want to gain weight and I was eating meat, it would be like the most boring meal ever. It would be white rice and chicken breast, white rice and chicken breast, or even just a protein shake. So boring, but now with this new mindset, this new approach, we're able to approach this weight gain and still have the most delicious foods ever. Like, give thanks for life.
Eating like your favorite YouTuber.
Much love, y'all. So I'm done for the day. No more training sessions. And I see the last feast of the day is ready. Got some black rice and a chili here. That's it. It's not that hard to get this weight gain mode. You just gotta really eat more than you're used to eating, because it's gonna be a little bit unnatural for you because your body's gonna have to adapt to something, right? And it's gonna adapt to you lifting more and being more active and, you know, having to build more muscle. And also it has the fuel required to do that. So you gotta be able to fuel your body and give it a reason to wanna do that. So it's really simple. It could be that simple. You know, there's so many ways to get into it, which I will get into it more and more into the future. But just for now, is like, that's really how simple it can be. Just take care of your basic nutrients. We're counting colors. We're not counting calories. That means we're focusing more on our micronutrients than we are macronutrients. But when we're in that weight gain phase, you're gonna put that little extra focus on the calories, on the macronutrients. So, you know, there we go. That's it. We're gonna see what's good with this last feast. And, you know, much love, y'all. It's a journey. We going on this together, y'all. So I'm grateful. So much love, y'all. There's a day of how I eat, what I train. Well, y'all didn't really get to see how I train, but get to see what I eat on my journey to putting this weight on. And, you know, we're just gonna keep sharing the process and just keep sharing my updates of how I'm going along with it, and just, you know, keep sharing what I'm learning, because we gotta be able to implement this kind of stuff and, you know, speak about it more, because there's always, everyone's talking about weight loss, but no one's really talking about that weight gain. Some of us want to put that weight on, so we're gonna go at this. We're gonna go full steam ahead, and let's get it, man. Much love for y'all for tuning in. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Ja! Rastafaro.